Hello guys, so in this video here we'll be um, running some more commands in terms of navigating lines vertically and horizontally in Vim. So let us get some file that we can utilize. fptr pass.c. So I have a file code here dealing with function pointers, but in this video I'll just be talking about navigating the command line, right, from a Vim perspective. So the first thing I would like to do here is set the, I have colon set space number. All right, so let us say I wanted the cursor to move down to, let's say, line 7. So if I do 6J, I'm at line 7, right? So I came down to 6. If I do 6K, right, I am back to line 1. So number times J brings you down by that scale, and number times K takes you up. Now, let us say I am 6J, right? I want to move through words here now. So by hitting the W key, see, I went to the beginning of the next word. First word here is int. I'm going to hit W again and see what happens. So the parentheses seems to be considered as a word. Let's see. Then I hit W again. I went to the beginning of int. Let's see. W again. Go to A. Now it is considering a comma as a word, right? So if I hit W again, goes to int, B, the end parentheses here is considered as a word, and it keeps going like that. Now, so let us say I want to go back now. I hit B, B, B. So you're moving backwards one word. All right. Now I will try capital W. So in terms of using capital W, it does not work. It does not count the punctuations or the parentheses as a word. It's considering a comma int as one word. See? See, it's flipping. So it's considering int as one, call funct parenthesis, open parenthesis, fptr as a word. Same here again. Funct one, comma int as one word. So that's capital W. Now capital B is doing the same thing. So there's a difference between using capital W and capital B. You're going, W will take you forward and B will take you backward, right? So when it's capital, it doesn't consider the parentheses or punctuation marks as a different word. When it's common, they're considered as a different word. Okay, so we're clear on that. Now let's try common F N. So F means to find, and what I want to find, N. So let's say I want to find the letter C. So FC takes me to C. If I use a semicolon, takes me to the next instance of C. Again, semicolon takes me to the next instance of C. Now there's no more C. So let's say I want to go back. So I use comma. It takes me back to those instances of C. Now I will not, overwhelm you with too many things and or overwhelm myself here. I'm going slow with this. We get the idea here that number, right? 5J takes you 5 down, and 5K takes you 5 up. And we looked at common W, common B, capital W, capital B, and using the find command with followed by a letter. And then if you use semicolon, it takes you to the next instance of that letter you're searching for. And utilizing a comma will take you backward to the previous, instance of that letter. So this is all that I want to explain in this video here. This is just navigating the command line, navigating in Vim here. Now to end this video, if I hit escape, let's see, I go colon Q. I don't want to save any of this, so I do an exclamation mark, hit enter, and I'm out. All right. So maybe I can, no, I shouldn't. I'll talk about type dev in a different video. So I'll end this video here, guys, for tonight. You guys have a great night learning Vim. And if you find the content, something that you're learning, like some new ideas here, then please subscribe to my channel, Spectrum 1844. So bye for now, guys. Bye.